Yo, guys, my first day at work. I'm so late, very late, embarrassingly late, but it is what it is. First day, and I'm here to put on some petrol on my car. Hey, I'm getting warnings here. Fuel almost empty. So I just have to refill. So on my first day back at work, 9th January, around 11 a.m., I got a call from my mom that my grandmother has sadly passed away. So we then headed to Kunwana the very next day, and on this vlog I will be taking you guys through Tsamaiso, loso, batswana, and this will be a part 1. As you all can see, as soon as batho ba utlwa pigi ya loso ba setse ba tla ko phitlhong go tsisa matshidiso go lelapa le latlhegetsweng. This then means that tlhanaselo ya go dira ditee, welcoming guests, and washing the never-ending dishes for the next coming 5 days ya simolola. On the next day, we obviously wake up early to prepare porridge for everyone, and this will be the routine for the week. It is a norm gore go apewe ka the big pots because this is for everyone who will be coming to the house. Na ga ise ke fihle bathong mo go fudiweng dipitsa tse di tona, so na my role was to make tea, wash the dishes, and run other errands. I was basically a general worker. So now batho ba jele le tee inulwe, and tee ke tiro ya the whole day bathong after every meal. That's a standard no matter the weather conditions. Mogele o dira tiro ya gagwe bathong ba modimo. Dingwetsi or ladies who will be getting married go batswaneng, I hope you are all taking notes. So na vele during the week, I get most of the people my age, they were at work, so that is why I was doing most of the tee le go tlhatswa dikotlolo alone, because I was a young lady available, and normally tiro e ya ditee le go tlhatswa dikotlolo, it's done by young ladies. So yes, and this is actually my home, guys. This is not my in-laws place. This is my home. So between me and my husband, I'm the one who's from the rural, so I actually don't get to work this hard at my in-laws because Praetorians are modern. So family members start to arrive in numbers as the week goes by. So my uncle also came. Maloma ga tshego bathong mo ja ditlhogo ka sebele. Bona gore go ntle ya mo Khunwana. Most of go letseng teng. It is now 7:45, but it is still like santse go le bright. You? On this day, it was a Friday, and this is the day where most things are done. So, fa go na le tiro, you should hire a tractor that will assist you in gathering some of the heavy stuff that you will be borrowing from other people. Ne? The nice thing about the people in the village is ke gore ba dirisana, ba adimisana, things like big pots, your plates, and other cutlery. So the men in the village go and collect the things from each house. Tlhanaselo santse ile kalo bomme ba peile ko segotlong. So today diphiri di lo epa mosima wa lebitla before ba tsamaya tshwantse e be ba jele motogo, ba jele le papa for brunch. This is a norm, and there's no need to be paying people ba gaetsho to assist. Ke tsa gore tse ke dingwe tsa ditsela tse batswana ba neng ba di dirisa go tshedisa batho ba ba tlhokafaletsweng. Tiro e nngwe gape ya terekere ke go thusa ka go rwalela dikgong tse di tlileng go dira segotlo le tsa go gotsa molelo. Segotlo ba gaetso is a place where we will be cooking dijo tsa loso throughout the night. Dijo tsa loso di bidiwa mogoga ne. Mo batswaneng moletlong mongwe le mongwe go tshwanetse go tlhabiwa kgomo. I'm still learning about the significance of slaughtering a cow. So yeah, kgomo e tlhabilwe, and now bomme le borre ba tlile go fiwa mateng a kgomo eo e ba tshwanetseng go a ja respectively. Yes, sir. If it's the same. Ke sebete sa kgomo. Ka sebete se jwa ke bomang? Ke bomme. O ke sa bomme sebete ne? Se ke sebete sa eng? Sa nku. Go tlo go ja bomme mo ba gadika. Ke go thusa tlare ke mo go shone le nna. Ke na le wena. Mme wa segolwane. Hey. Wa nthuta gore go iriwa yang a kere. Gore le nna ka moso ke kgone go itse gore ke boele mo videoeng ke e shebe ke re go kgone go se go ya yang. Ba ntsha monwana. O ka go diana monwana? Okay. Ke a bona. One tape go ha. Ka mo tabeletse o ntse stele go kamereng straight yana next time. Ha nna ke tsama mo di agents feng tsa bo mamane ya. Wa e bona? Ke tsabe ke se itse re o ntsha letlalo la teng yana. Plastic nyana. So there are some parts mo nameng ya kgomo e tlhabilweng tse le gore tshwantse di jewe ke borre fela, and some parts tse le gore tshwantse di jewe ke bomme fela. I'm hoping to see you guys on the next part of this vlog. Bye.